Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Snapchat on your iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started. So first, tap on App Store. In the search bar of App Store, write Snapchat. Then tap Search. Then tap Get and double click to install. And now wait until finish downloading Snapchat. After downloading Snapchat, open it. If you already have a Snapchat account, tap on Login. If you don't, you can create a new account by tapping on Sign Up. I'll create a new account to show you exactly how to do this. So let's tap on Sign Up and let's get started. Tap OK, tap Allow, and now fill your personal information like first name and the last name. Then tap Continue. Here, select your birthday. Then tap Continue. This is your username on Snapchat. You can change it easy by tapping Change My Username, and you can change it. Tap Continue and now set your password. After setting your password, tap Continue. Now write your email, or you can use your phone number if you have a phone number. And now Snapchat will send you a code to your phone number. Now write your number and tap Allow. Here you can add your friend. Tap Add. Tap Allow. So that's it. We installed Snapchat on iPhone and we create a new account. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.